This how to 1 minute will show you how to use WordPress for document management or file management. You can easily manage your file or PDF document using your WordPress dashboard. Just follow me to do it. First of all, we want to install a plugin. To do that, come to this plugin section and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here WP document revisions and search for it. And this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this plugin. And through the plugin to this left-hand menu here, you will get this documents option. So click on it. And now to create a new document, click on add document. Write here the document title. You can add here document description, and it's time to add document or file here. To do it, click on upload file or upload new version and click on select files. And now from your computer, you can easily upload any file or document. Once it's added, here you can add a revision summary. Revision summaries are optional notes to store along with these revisions that allow other users to quickly and easily see what changes you made without needing to open the actual file. And to add a workflow state, you can do it from here. So I'm selecting here in progress, and you can add a document feature image by clicking here, and you can change the document owner and click on update. And as you can see, my document has been successfully uploaded and created. And whenever you want to edit or customize your document, come to this document section and click on the document that you want to edit, and then you will be able to easily edit the document. This is how we can manage document or file using WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.